Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and we have yet again some more leaks for the Samsung Galaxy S11. And I'm talking about the cameras, which is going to be the biggest main upgrade for the S11 family, and Samsung is not messing around. They are going all in to bring us the best cameras that you can get on a smartphone. And full credit to Max Weinbach with XDA developers for bringing these new camera features to the light. So the first one is having the ability to record at 8K 30 frames per second. Yes, that is right, 8K video recording, which is insane. No other Samsung smartphone on the market does this, so this is definitely going to be a huge game changer. Now, the Snapdragon 865 will be able to do 8K 30 frames per second video recording, and even the previous chipset had the ability to do it, but in order to be able to capture 8K video on the main camera sensor, it needs to be able to capture over 33 million pixels, which the 12 megapixel camera on the S10 just can't do. So this 108 megapixel camera and bigger sensor is going to make this camera capable of recording 8K video. Next, we are also going to see some new modes, with one of them being called the Director's View mode. This mode will allow you to lock onto a subject in view and also select who's in close up. You will also be able to switch between camera lenses while recording by tapping the thumbnails on the left, then tap on the right to jump to a close-up on a subject. Also, it looks like this mode will allow you to record with the wide angle and ultra wide angle lens at the exact same time. It's something that will be done automatically when recording with the wide angle lens. The ultra wide will be recording in the background. Then once you're done recording, you can check it out through the edit options. So this is definitely going to be a great feature to have. Now, another mode mentioned is called Night Hyperlapse. It's basically the same as regular Hyperlapse, but built for the night. We already know that Samsung has codenamed the S11 camera as Hubble, which is a night telescope, and have trademarked the term called Space Zoom. So we know the night mode features are going to be insane this time around. Then we have the single photo mode, which you basically start shooting to capture a scene in a series of pictures and short videos. You can pan the phone around for 15 seconds slowly, and it will capture tons of photos and videos of the scene. After the device processes all of the videos and photos, you will be able to see a collection of what you just took. We will now also be able to take vertical panorama pictures and not just horizontal. And then last but not least, we will have the option for custom filters, which pretty much sounds like you will be able to make your own custom filters for videos and photos. So Samsung is definitely bringing a lot of new features to the cameras on the Galaxy S11, and I am super excited for all of this. Now, I'm really hoping they either bring more storage or at least keep the option for an SD card, because that 8K video recording is definitely going to take up a lot of that storage. But either way, of course, we are going to have to wait and see how much of this will actually happen on the device. Like I said, I am super excited. Leave your thoughts down below of what you think of all these new features. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more to come. Thanks so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.